Hello, this YouTube video is to explain 3-wire Y 3-phase and I'm sorry, 4-wire Y 3-phase transformer and Delta 3 wires 3-phase transformer. So in order to understand this, you gotta know a couple of definitions. V line is equal to line, or equals to VA when you measure the voltage is VAB, VBC, or VCA. You could do it vice versa too. So let's talk about how many different ways you could measure the Y configurations. Okay, you could go A to neutral, so that is V phase. Okay, from neutral you could measure point C, so that's another V phase. From neutral again you could measure VB. Okay, so those are V phase measurements. Okay, as you can see, V line, the voltage is larger than V phase. Okay. Let's see. Okay, from A to B, that is 208 volts compared to 120. Okay, and the mathematical formula is V line is equal to 1.732 times V phase. Okay. Because from this phase to the other phase is 120 degrees, you have to add the voltages by vectoring. Okay, and the hypotenuse of the vector is equal to 208 if both vectors are 120. Okay. So in a Y configuration, the voltages are different between V line and V phase. But in a balanced load, meaning all of these are equal, then the neutral line will have 0 amps and V line is equal to V phase. Let's look at the delta configurations. Okay. Delta configurations, you only have I guess one way to measure it. It's always either A to C, C to B, or B to A, or A to B, and vice versa. You have no ground wire or neutral wire. Okay. So for delta configurations, your V line is equal to V phase and is 120 volts AC. Okay. The difference is the V line or the I line, the current will be a larger current because both of these phases contribute to I line. So therefore I line is a greater amount in current. Okay. So the mathematical formula is I line is equal to 1.732 times I phase. Let's also talk about the load. The load is also across this coil over here too. Okay, that is the load. The load for the Y configuration is from A to neutral, or B to neutral, or C to neutral. And that is the load. Thank you for watching.